أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. So nowadays we are learning about what we are learning? Nominal sentences. Nominal sentences. We are learning about sentences. So can somebody tell me what kind of sentences are there? We learned there are two kinds of sentences. What are those? Brother Asher?
No. There are two kinds of sentences, nominal sentences and verbal sentences. Jumla ismiya, jumla feiliya.
So what is the difference?
Jumla ismiya is um, the mubtada. It's there will be mubtada and khabar.
Yes.
Yeah. Can somebody help
जुमला
Brother Asher?
जुमला इसमें जो इसमें से शुरू हो जुमला फेल या जो फेल से शुरू हो.
Very good. Brother Tariq told us that Jumla Ismiya is the sentence that starts with a noun, an ism, and Jumla Failia is the sentence that starts with a verb or fail. That is the main difference. And then we learned the different parts of a Jumla Ismiya. Na? Those different parts were Mubtada, Khabar, and Mu'allaq bil Khabar. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so can somebody tell me what is Mubtada? Brother Ikram.
Mubtada is usually the first ism,
Yeah,
and it is always marfu.
mostly marfu.
Okay,
Yeah.
it is mostly marfu. Yeah, because in case of nawasibul ism, it will be mansub.
Yeah,
And mubtada is always there in the nominal sentence.
yeah.
But the remaining two parts like khabar and mutalik bil khabar, they can be absent, but like mubtada will always be there.
Mubtada will always be there.
Yeah, and
And
the second part is the second part of nominal sentence is khabar, and khabar is in fact the information about mubtada,
yeah,
and just like mubtada, khabar is also marfu mostly, and there can be multiple um, khabar,
yeah,
and khabar may not be there in the nominal sentences.
yeah.
And the third part is mutalik bil khabar. So the uh, like like the other information about mubtada uh, other than khabar is mutalik bil khabar, and like uh, fragments like jar majroor are special mudaf. They are mutalik bil khabar, and just like khabar, mutalik bil khabar can be present or absent in the nominal sentences.
Good, very good. Yeah, thank you. So normally the Mubtada is normally a Mubtada is Marfa and Khabar is Nakira. There are some special cases when Mubtada can be Nakira and Khabar can be Marfa. So they can uh, be some situations, you know. Okay, that's good. So who can also tell us about Mubtada and Khabar? Brother Farhan, what is Mubtada and Khabar?
Mubtada is basically predicate and khabar is the subject.
Khabar is the
So
subject? No, no, no. You are saying opposite.
Oh, so so subject is khabar, and mubtada is predicate, right?
No,
Mubtada is
no, no.
subject and khabar is
Mubtada
predicate.
is subject and khabar is predicate.
Predicate.
Yeah. So maybe we can go through these slides that we learned last week. So this is nominal sentence. It can have three parts: mubtada, khabar, and muta'alliq bil khabar. So for mubtada, it is mostly the very first ism in a sentence, and it is mostly marfu and ma'rifa. It can be nakira also, but there could be some special reasons to that. And mubtada can be mansoob due to nawasibul ism, like inna, anna, ka anna, laita, la, la, lakinna. So those nawasibul ism make the mubtada mansoob. Mubtada in a sentence should also always be there. Okay, there could be also be multiple mubtada in this sentence. Like the examples we learned, Muhammadun Rasulun. This is a sentence. So Muhammadun, Muhammad is a messenger. Similarly, Alhamdulillahi, Anna al-Quwwata lillah. Here Quwwata becomes mansoob because of Anna. So this is mubtada. The khabar is that it is actually the information about mubtada. That is khabar, called khabar in Jumla Ismiya. Khabar is marfu and mostly common noun or nakira. Khabar is marfu and mostly nakira. There could be a multiple khabar in a sentence. Khabar may be or may not be in a sentence. And the third part is muta'alliq bil khabar, like jar majroor, special mudaf, mudaf ilayh, that have a mudaf like tahta, fawqa, ba'da, ba'in dal, ba'da. These kinds of mudaf that are ism zarf that also make the muta'alliq bil khabar. Jar majroor are also muta'alliq bil khabar. Okay, same as in khabar, muta'alliq bil khabar can be there or cannot be. There could be more than one muta'alliq bil khabar in the sentence. Okay, like
And also, Faliba, you told us, I think last time, that a sentence could be mubtada plus khabar plus mutalik bil khabar, right?
yeah,
Or it could be a
all the
combination
three
of
things
both of
can be.
these.
Yeah, all these three things can be in a sentence. There could be possibility that only mubtada or khabar is there, or mubtada and muta'alliq bil khabar is there. There is no khabar, mubtada and muta'alliq bil khabar. So these are three different possibilities, no? But mubtada should always be in a sentence. Okay. So okay, maybe I can ask somebody else who can explain this to me. You can do that. Brother Rashid, can you tell us?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullah.
Wa alaikum salam.
Could not prepare by try. Normally, these nominal sentences, it has got three parts: mubtada, khabar, and mutalik bil khabar.
Yeah.
You told us that this mubtada must have a subject in it.
Yeah.
Mostly, it is always there, and khabar is information about that.
Yeah.
And mutalik, sometimes it is there, it's not there. It likes something about the khabar. It's like it can have some special circumstances.
Uh-huh. So what are the indications of khabar and muta'alliq bil khabar and mubtada?
Mubtada is always there.
Yeah, it should be.
It can have like multiple mubtada inside.
Yeah, it should be marfu, no?
It should be marfu.
If there is an nawasibul ism, it can be mansoob.
Okay.
And what about khabar?
Khabar is you told us something about nakra. That
Yeah,
khabar
normally khabar is nakira. It is
is
marfu.
nakra. Is
It is
marfu.
also marfu. And what about mutallaq bil khabar?
Mutallaq bil khabar
Is
it
like jar majroor
jar majroor,
and special mudah mudaf ilayh.
mudaf mudaf alayh.
Special mudaf mudaf ilayh, not normal mudaf mudaf ilayh. The
Okay.
special ones that has a zarf in it, like tahta, fawqa, wara'a, these kinds
Okay.
of
And
mudaf.
it's not necessary that mutallaq bil khabar is there in a sentence.
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Okay.
So I think it should be clear by now. Let's go through some examples and find out in a sentence whether what is that, you know? So brother Arshad, inna allaha huwa al-ghaniyyul hamid. Can you figure it out? What is mubtada, what is khabar or muta'alliq bil khabar in it?
Mubtada is Allah.
Yeah.
Or we can say in Allah as well.
Inna Allah. Yeah.
In Allah. Huwa al-Ghaniyul Hamid. You know,
What about huwa?
Huwa is I understand. Ghaniyul Hamid is khabar,
Yeah.
and Huwa is mutalik bil khabar.
No, is it jar majroor?
No, I don't think so.
No. So this is mubtada. Huwa is. I told you in the first lesson that huwa, hum, anta, antum, ana, nahnu, that those can be mubtada also. Na?
Okay.
Ismul ashara can also be mubtada, like haza, zalika, ulaika. These can also be mubtada.
Yes.
So inna allaha mubtada 1, huwa mubtada 2, al-ghaniyu khabar 1, al-hamidu
And khabar 2. Yes.
khabar 2. Can you translate?
Indeed, Allah, He is Al-Ghani and Al-Hamid. I don't know exact translation of those. Ghani is the most for the one who gives a lot.
Very rich.
Very rich, yeah.
Al-Hamid, always praiseworthy.
Yes, yes, praiseworthy, yes.
Thank you, Jazakallah khairan. Brother Azhar, can you tell us inni lakum rasulun aminun? Inni, what is inni?
Mubtada.
Mubtada. Lakum,
Mubtada.
what?
Lakum. No, lakum is jar majroor.
Jar majroor. Very good. So lami, this is lahu, lahum, laka, lakum. Na? So these are jar majroor.
Jar majroor.
Rasulun aminun. What is this?
Yeah, this is khabar.
Khabar.
Yeah.
Very good. So how you will translate?
Indeed, for you.
Indeed, inni. This is inni. Indeed.
Indeed, I. All.
Sorry.
Indeed, for you.
Next.
Messenger.
Rasulun aminun is trustworthy messenger. Can you translate it now properly?
Indeed, I for you trustworthy messenger.
Is it a sentence? Indeed, I for you a trustworthy messenger. Can some?
Indeed.
We have to put is or am somewhere. Where we will put it?
Okay. Indeed, I am for you.
Yeah.
Trustworthy messenger.
A trustworthy messenger. So after inni, we would put is or am, because there is no connection between inni and lakum. Good. Thank you.
If there is no connection, then we can add it up any is or am, whatever for the connection for the words.
Yeah, connection means connection of the fragments. that we learned. 5 fragments, jar majroor, mudah mudaf leh, sifa masoof, those fragments. No? Okay, thank you. Brother Ajaz, inna batsha rabbika la shadidun. Can you tell us what is what here?
Inna is
Nice. Wasibul ism.
nawasibul
Like
ism.
is here inna
Yeah,
Allah. Ha is mansoob. Similarly, batsha is
in
also
Mansub.
mansoob.
Yeah. So inna batsha, I don't know what it means.
Mubtada.
Mubtada.
Rabbika.
Rabbika, jar majroor, so mutalik bil khabar. La shadid.
Rabbika is actually
It's mudaf ilayh.
Yeah.
La shadid is khabar.
Ashadid is khabar. Very good. So can we translate it? Batsha means grip. Batasha yabtushu, he gripped. He hold very firmly. But batsh is grip.
Indeed, the grip of your
Batsha
Lord,
Rabbi. Batsha Rabbi.
grip of your Lord,
Grip of
Lord is strict, is shadid,
is for
extreme, is for sure, strong. What's the word for shadid?
Yeah.
I know in Urdu what shadid means, but I don't know.
Very strong, severe.
Very strong. Severe. Indeed, your Lord's
grip of your Lord.
Grip of your Lord
is for
severe.
sure.
Is for sure severe.
Severe. Very good. Thank you. Next is Brother Tariq. Can you also help us? وَعَلَىٰ أَبْصَارِهِمْ غِشَاوَةٌ.
وَعَلَى. It's going to be tough for me today. Anyway. Wa and Allah upon.
Yeah.
So, absarihim, your eyes.
Their absarihim.
Their eyes. Ghishavatun. Ghishava is like curtain.
Curtain, yeah.
Now, Ghishavatun is a khabar.
Ghishavatun, you can say this is mubtada because this is the khabar muakhar, mubtada muakhar. وعلى أبصارهم is متعلق بالخبر because على is the jar majroor. No? على jar أبصاري majroor. أبصارهم their
eyes.
Their eyes.
Their sights.
This would be treated as mubtada, no? Because if you treat it as a khabar and this is mutallaq bil khabar, you cannot make a sentence. No? So in a sentence there should be mubtada always. So Ghishawa you can say is mubtada, ala absarihim is the mutallaq bil khabar. Can you translate it?
This and their side, upon their sides, a curtain.
Yeah, and a curtain is upon their
sides.
The eyesight, yeah.
This Allah is like is zamir muttasil, like you are having lakum zamir munfasil.
It is not zamir, sorry, it's not zamir. These are the harufe jar, na? Ila, ala, wa.
Ala, okay. Okay, all harufe jar. Okay.
So ala absari, because of ala, absaru becomes absari.
Because of the ala, because of the jar majroor.
Ala, yeah.
Okay. So we have jar. Yes, okay.
Jar yeah, this is a jar majroor combination. And then him is mudaf. Here this him is attached pronoun.
Okay. And on the top is Rasulun Aminun. Is it Sifa Masuf? And that is
Sifa
also,
Yeah, that is Sifa Masuf.
and Al-Ghani wal Al-Hamid is also Sifa Masuf, but also Khabar
No,
as well.
this is not Sifa Masuf because there is no Masuf here. No? These are both Sifas.
Okay.
Ghaniyu is also Sifa, Al-Hamid is also Sifa.
Okay.
So we cannot say this Sifa Masuf.
Okay, that's right. That's right. I agree.
Thank you, brother. And
Thank you.
brother Riza, can you tell us? The next is وَيُبَشِّرُ الْمُؤْمِنِينَ.
السلام عليكم.
You are
ويبشر المؤمنين.
Can you find مبتدا خبر متعلق بالخبر in this sentence? Brother Farhan, excuse me, brother Riza. Brother Farhan, can you tell us?
ويبشر المؤمن. ويبشر could be متعلق بالخبر.
No, 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 no.
No.
Brother Asher.
Brother, this is the جملة فعلية. Is it جملة فعلية or جملة اسمية?
You tell me.
So this is not جملة اسمية.
Yeah, very good.
This is a Jumla Fi'liya.
Ismiya. This is
Jumla Fi'liya.
Jumla Fi'liya. Why? Because
It's starting from verb.
Starting from the verb. So this, we cannot say this is mutallaq bil khabar, this is mubtada, this is khabar. So in Jumla Fi'liya, nothing like that. It only in Jumla.
Yeah, it's starting with verb. It's
Yeah, very good.
And how we can translate and
Can you, brother Riza, translate it?
ويبشر المؤمن. I know Bisharat.
Give good. Bashara, he gave good news.
Yes. He يبشر بشار. He gave a good news to mu'minin, to believers.
He gives present, or he will give.
Or he will give good news to mu'minin.
To the mu'minin. Very good. If
To
I
them,
say
that's correct.
yubashirul mu'minuna, then?
Sorry, what was your question?
If there is mu'minuna instead of mu'minina.
Oh, mu'minuna, that would be marfu, and is going to be al-mu'minun gives us or give us good news. It's going to be subject.
Going to be subject. But there is no us. Okay, thank you,
Yes,
Brother Riza. Brother
yes,
Iqbal
means,
Shah.
to the listener.
Yeah. Brother Iqbal Shahid. وَأَكْثَرُهُمْ فَاسِقُونَ.
السلام عليكم. وأكثرهم فاسقون. وأكثرهم is the mubtada, and fasiqun is the khabar.
Very good. So how we will translate?
وأكثرهم فاسقون, and most of them are transgressors.
Most of them are transgressors. Good. Next example is Allahu Samad. So Allah is, Brother Asher, can you tell us?
Allahu is mubtada.
इन्होंने नहीं लिखा होगा साथ. अगर रहता है इन्ना अल्लाह होगा. Allahu
Samad is khabar.
Okay. Yeah. How we will translate?
Allahu Samad is Allah is, what do you say, Samad?
Self-sufficient.
Allah is self-sufficient.
Sorry?
Allah is self-sufficient.
Yeah, you can say that. Yeah, so you see here as-samadu, samad, usually this khabar is nakira, but here it comes as ma'rifa.
Yes.
Okay, so for emphasis, to make it more specific, you can say. Thank you. Brother Ahsan Qureshi. Fiha aynun jariyatun. So can you tell us what is the khabar mubtada
Yes.
in it?
فيها عين جارية.
Yeah.
فيها is خبر. No.
Fi is harf
Is it
jar.
متعلق بالخبر, right?
Yeah, so it should be fi is harf jar. Hamar har
متعلق. Yeah. عين is the subject in
So ainun jariya is sifa mawsuf. You can say
yeah, I see.
read one. Ainun jariya is
sifa mawsuf.
it can be mubtada here, na?
مبتدا.
Jariya is mubtada and fiha is mutaalliq bil khabar.
متعلق بالخبر.
So this mubtada has been delayed here. No? It comes after mutaalliq bil khabar. Okay. So how you will translate?
فيها in it عين the
Ain is spring.
from
Jariya is
spring
flowing.
and continuous, flowing.
Yeah, continue.
In it the spring is continuously flowing.
Continuous flowing spring is in it.
Okay. Flowing. I see.
Okay, next is wujuhun yawma izin na'ima. Ibrahim Akhtar, can you tell us?
وجوه يومئذ ناعمة. وجوه is وجوه is مبتدأ and يومئذ ناعمة is خبر.
Okay. You can also say, okay, yeah, yawma izin. It is mudaf ilayh. It could be khabar. So how you will translate?
Faces that a day faces. Faces a day faces will be
No. Some faces, yawma izin means on that day.
Some faces on that day ناعمة.
Happy.
Some faces on that day will be happy.
Will be happy. So you see, mubtada is usually it is marifa, but it is nakira here.
Yes.
Yawm is a zarf. Is it not?
Yeah, it is. So it is. We can say it is special mudaf ilayh. Then we have to treat it as
متعلق بالخبر.
متعلق بالخبر. يومئذ it is a special mudaf ilayh. So it is متعلق بالخبر.
متعلق بالخبر.
Thank you, Jazakallah khairan. Who has left? Brother Abdul Aziz, can you help us also? Anta minal musahharin. Okay, Ubaid, can you tell us what is Anta minal musahharin?
Anta is mubtada. Min is minal musahirin.
Musahharin.
Musaharin is khabar.
Khabar? Min. What is min?
Jar majroor.
Jar majroor. So what jar majroor are what?
Muta'alliq bil khabar.
Muta'alliq bil khabar. Very good. So how you will translate?
You are from.
Musahhar is from those who are affected by magic. Those who are affected by magic.
You are from those who are affected from magic.
Very good. Thank you. Brother Ejaz, Nasar al-Muslimina.
Nasar al-Muslimina. Muslim is the delete mubtada. Muslimin is mubtada.
No, no.
No?
جملة فعلية. جملة فعلية.
Oh, nasara. Oh,
Yeah.
verbal sentence.
It is a verbal
Nasara.
sentence.
Right?
Yeah, it is a verbal sentence. We cannot say that.
Success.
The khabar is not here.
Yeah.
So how you will translate?
Success.
Nasara means he helped. Al-Muslimina, the Muslims.
He helped the Muslims.
He helped the Muslims. Next is Ulaika humul muflihuna. Ulaika means those whom they al-muflihuna, the ones who are successful. So here Ulaika is mubtada, hum is mubtada, and al-muflihuna is
khabar.
Okay. Next is inna lil muttaqina mafaza. Inna and mafaza, this is mubtada. Lil muttaqina mutallaq bil khabar.
jar majroor.
Jar majroor. Very good. Wa azanun min Allahi wa rasulihi ila nasi. Here wa azanun is mubtada min Allahi
jar majroor. mutallaq bil khabar.
mutallaq bil khabar rasulihi. It is also min rasulihi, so it is also mutallaq bil khabar. Ila nasi is also jar majroor, so this is mutallaq bil khabar. This I have learned last week. Next is kullu nafsin zaikatul mauti. So this is also kullu nafsin is mudaf mudaf ilayh. This is first marfu. Zaikatul mauti is the second marfu. So this kullu nafsin is the mubtada. Zaikatul mauti is the khabar. Okay. How you will translate it? Every soul is the taster of the death. Okay. So we will put is RM between kullu nafsin and zaikatul maut.
In the second last sentence, azan is the mubtada.
Azan is the mubtada. It is not it is marifa, it is a nakira. There is a special case, that is a special announcement that's going to be made. Okay, I think we have covered a lot about these different parts of Jumla Ismiya. I think everybody should know. If you want to practice more, you can also maybe revise, listen the videos, and you can revise the lessons. Okay, we can move on to inshallah our next parts.